Hey, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading out to the shop to get some more work done on the micro, getting ready for the season here. Not exactly sure what our goal is for today. I think I'm going to try to get the injectors off, clean those out. Like I said in the last video, cars been running about ever since like 2017 or something. So I'm sure those injectors could all use some cleaning and everything. Other than that, I think we're just gonna try to clean it up. Oh, we did get a clutch cover for it, or a front sprocket cover, so we can actually engage the clutch. So that's another thing we're gonna try to get done, is make it so our clutch actually works. Yeah, I think those are the two big things I can think of off the top of my head for today. We don't have any methanol yet, so we're not gonna try to run it yet. But hopefully within the next two or so weeks here, we should be able to get some methanol and try to get that car actually running. We're also getting ready to go ahead and paint it soon. Get to set up a little paint booth again. I'm really excited for that. Want to be able to do something, do a cool little livery, or not livery, I guess. Do some cool paint. Have a cool little paint job on there. We'll be our number and our paint job in the same video here in a few weeks. Which is really exciting because we are not running with 95, which we did last year, because like a clean car, you obviously got to run his number. So this year, yeah, we're definitely gonna show all of that at the same time. I'm excited for this season. I'm really excited to try out the micro. I think it's gonna be a new challenge, and I think I'm ready for that. I think it's gonna be a good time. So yeah, with that said, let's get out to the shop and let's get to work. All right, we're out here at the shop. So what we're looking at right now is I was trying to get our new clutch, or our sprocket cover on right here. We just picked this up because we didn't have a clutch like mechanism for this. So right now that's what I'm trying to work on. Looks like we're gonna need to take this piece here off to be able to slide this over it, because it looks like this piece here goes like that, and then this will all just come onto just like that. So I want to try to get it on, test fit it, see if it's actually going to fit like that, and then once I do that, we'll try to get we'll start with our air cleaner up here and try to get those injectors off as well. So I got that piece off of our shift linkage here, and now it's giving us a whole lot more space to be able to get in here with our whole clutch cover. So what we're going to do, we're going to slide that right there, slide this all on here like that, and happily, like, I'm very happy with that because it actually fits, which is kind of something we were worried about, because it seems like there's a lot of these out there, but because of how Suzuki does their engines, there's slight differences here and there, and there's a ton of different variations of the same engine, so we were a little worried about that, but luckily it does fit. But while I was trying to kind of mock it up a little bit, I did come across another issue here. So obviously both holes are all okay and everything, except for this one, which was looking kind of sketchy to me before because it's broken. So let's see if I can get y'all in there. If you can see all the way back in there, there is a broken off bolt inside of where the threads go. So that causes a little bit of a problem for us. Gives us something else to work on here. So let's try to get after that. I guess my route of doing this is I'm just gonna try to drill it out and see what I can do. But I don't know. So y'all will be able to watch me doing that, and I'll give you another update here in a little. So where we're at with the clutch cable, clutch cover and everything is not great. But that's because our clutch cable is frayed, so we got to get a new one. But it's on there. It's not ideal because that bolt here is still in there. We're just gonna deal with that a little later as soon as we get the other clutch cable, which will be coming later this week. And then that'll be what we do with that. Now we're gonna move into spark plugs and checking the fuel injectors, like I said before. And yeah, we're just gonna see what all condition wise they look like and probably clean some stuff up. Air cleaners off. Dirty. Very bad. Very not good. Not good. Very dirty. Try to clean it up here. Just soak it. Right out of there. The spark plug does not want to come out though. There we go. Hey, it doesn't look that bad.
We like not that bad.
Yeah, we do like not that bad. That's how that plug looks. The focus. Looks decent. Looks like I might not even have to buy some. Number 2 also looks good. Or I guess I probably went before. There's that third one. And there's that last one. So yeah, all the spark plugs are looking okay. Not perfect, but I mean, they're pretty good. Probably run with them for a little bit. Decide to get some later. Boom, top of the airbox off. Check it out, what I can see down here. Carburetor. That's what this is. It's a carburetor. It's not injection at all. I'm just crazy. Well, that's good to know. Look at this. So we have, yeah. So looking at this here, these are all carbs, and I don't understand how I didn't realize that. You got your, your fuel delivery into here. Pretty much goes into these rails. 2 feeds each side, and it goes down into there, which your throttle plate opens underneath. And they're carburetors. They're not even injectors like I thought. So that's going to be a little bit more of a challenge for me to figure out what I'm doing here. But I think that's going to call it for this video. I think we've gotten a decent amount done on the car. And I think that we have kind of gotten a good starting point on the work we got to do to it. So if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like. It helps me a ton. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe as well. We're going to be uploading a ton of micro content coming up in the next few weeks here. And yeah, hopefully we'll get to racing this thing soon, since we haven't gotten a really good look at it. In this video, I'll give you all another little walk around, see what all it looks like. I mean, obviously we haven't done too much to it. We gotta throw the seat in there to kind of fit it a little bit and figure out how I'm gonna fit in there and everything, tank and everything like that. And yeah, so here's anything we've done today was that clutch box, which is fitting right, and then yeah, we got this air off to look at the what I thought were going to be injectors, but I'm just a little silly, I guess. Couldn't realize they were carbs from the start, but I don't know. Gotta use my brain a little bit more sometimes, But I also just don't know much about these little 4-cylinder bike engines. Trying to learn a lot this year, trying to learn about them, trying to figure out what's all the story is with them. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.